Alright guys, today we're going to be playing Twisted. Yippee. So we're playing on my private server. We got the Dominator 1. We got the Dominator 1. We got the Dominator 1. I missed the old Twisted. It was so fun. Like you deploying. What is this for? I don't get it. Like, what is that for? Okay. What is this for? Like, am I supposed to put a 12 seconds up? Boom. The hell it is? Wait, it is. It is for a pro. What the hell? So I just open this and it just like... What? Or is it just me? I want my pro back. Give me my pro back. Okay. So this one has a video. This one has a video. Ow. My head turning. Ow, quick. Oh. Okay, now my head's not hurting anymore. That's super good. Wait, what's the cape? Okay. Oh, it's so bad, bro. But tomorrow's high. Tomorrow's high. That's gonna be good. My head's starting to hurt again. I remember, oh. Yeah, okay, shall we go? I remember when you, like, open the little map thingy. Open the map, and then you can, like, see what's... Shall we go? Where should go? Why is it not? Why is it not? Pressing every single button on my keyboard. Oh. I'm literally pressing every single button on my keyboard. Get up! I'm trying to grind. What the hell? I'm trying to grind. Let me drink. Let me drink. Let me drink. Oh. Well, actually, let me drive. So I guess I have to get my other car. Let me. $74,000. Let's go! Wait, let's see the radar. We got severe thunderstorm warning. What? Maple? Sigma? What the heck? What the heck? After being stupid for 2 years now, wait. Is okay, so that. Wait, what should we do? There's no radar here that gives it like an off. You know what? We're leaving it. We're leaving, and we're going to join a. We're gonna join a public server. Set up a. What the hell is he playing? Wait, what? I can't play. Remember? I forgot. I have my account set as 9 plus. Oh, 9. I wish I was a billion years old. I don't know how these people like get. I'm opening my pack of jelly beans. I love jelly beans. What's caramel corn, green apple. Why is it white wine? Why is it almost 3 a.m.? There's a tornado warning. Where am I? I'm at Briar Lake. I'm at Briar Lake. Hey, why did you put me over here? Excuse me. I want to become pro. Let's see how much intercept. A 1 intercept only? That's for how much I have. I got 2 intercepts. That's how you know I'm pro. That's how you know I'm pro at the game. Hello, is my keyboard not working? It's obviously from the beginning. Nice. What the hell? Why am I not going? Oh. Wait, what did I spawn on top of? Looks like my car's like tilted. Yeah, it is. Why is it tilted? I don't know. What is this huge red button for? Like what the heck? I can't pick up. I can't. Oh, let me in it. What the Sigma? Yay. Okay, now you will. It's 3 a.m. guys. It's the devil's night. What's gonna happen on the devil's night? Is there going to be demon tornado? Or I gotta intercept you. That's how you know I'm pro. Yeah, I totally did not buy money off my Robux. Get this. I did it. I swear, bro. I did not buy it with Robux. I did not buy money. And I don't get something exactly. Why, when you wake up? I'm gonna buy something. I'm gonna buy some gas. I remember when I bought gas, it was a complete waste of time. It was a complete waste of money. Should I buy a bag of chips? What is this? $10? $5? I'm gonna buy a flashlight just in case. Oh, I got 2 flashlights. That's nice. I'm a little sicky. Yeah, I'm a friend. Well, where is my friend exactly? Where did he spawn at exactly? Is he new to this game? Is he? I think so. Is he? I'm pro. Me, what is it? Wait, did he leave? Yeah, he left. Yeah, he completely left the game. Skibbity dollar will be mine. Skibbity. Here's a big stormy. Is this where the National Weather Service is? Where the yeah, where that is. Is it me or am I stupid? Guys, I'm actually stupid. I could pick which station I wanted. I'm stupid as hell, bro. I'm stupid. I'm stupid, guys. I'm stupid. I'm actually stupid. Actually freaking stupid. There's 2 errors. I don't know why. It's in my memory. I just click F9. Oh wait, should I click all F4? I'm just kidding. I should not click all F4. I swear to God, my gummies open. Gummies. No, I'm stupid. I'm pro. I'm pro. For all of my life, I've been playing on this. This. Instead of this. I am stupid. What the frick? I thought when they were like clear like this, they didn't work. It didn't work. Anybody tell me I'm stupid? If anybody tells me I'm stupid, it's true. Let's see what they're commenting. Probe. Why do we need a probe? Or is it just the guy's name? Yeah, the guy's name. Bro, I'm having so much trouble opening these packs of. I'm about to crack. I want to buy more probes, but it's not letting me buy more probes. It's not letting me buy more probes, bro. Please, I want probes, bro. Please, bro. I need probes, bro. But what if I do this? How about now? Aww. Aww. What? What the Sigma? What if I open this? I opened this. Can I put one of my probes right here? Wait, where the hell are my probes at? What the hell? Where did my probe go? Wait. Where did my probe go? It disappeared. What the hell? My probe disappeared. What is this red button for? There's so many things that. You know what? I'm gonna have to move the car. How great is that? How great is that? I'm gonna have to move the car. It's probably under the car. How good is that? Just kidding. Nothing really. All cars are good. Not good enough because we try to go inside of a tornado to intercept. And he's just gonna go in the car. He's just gonna go in the car. He decided, no, I'm going in this guy car. He looks cool. Wait, how about this guy? He looks cool. Yes. Yes, you can. Oh, nice, bro! You can finally get that. Wait, how much money do you have? Highest wings? Okay, how about this guy? It's in my apartment. What is your name, buddy boy? Buddy boy. Okay. What max wins have you got, boy? Oh, you're new. Oh, you're new. Oh, you're new. Oh, you're new. Actually, it's a tank 1. It's a tank 1, man. Wait, I think talking about that because that's a complete different one. About 20 days. It took me 20 days. 20 days. 20 days. Bro. It took me 20 days, and this is actually a tank 1. Wait, does he have voice chat? I want to talk with him. Did I miss him? Where the hell did he go? Nah, bro. He left the game. He left the game. What the hell, bro? Why would you leave the game? Why is he looking at the back of my car? Why is he looking at the back? Is he gonna go? That looks cool, actually. That looks. Bro, why is there why is there no storms? Why? There's a slight bit. Why? Just why, man? We got Supercell! We got Supercell in the bottom of Starbucks. TB. Let's go to TB. Let's go to TB, My love, be like, ooh, ah. We are super excited. We gotta go! Oh, they both got the same car, actually. That's cool. So we're going south. We're going south, because that's, yeah. That's how you know I'm super duper, that's how you know I'm super duper smart. I can hear the roars. I can hear roar. I can hear roar. Skip it. Wait, what? Is there another Supercell forming? There's a literal another Supercell forming. What the hell? I didn't know it was gonna be this one. It's literally. Wait, I wonder if that's another Supercell. Or is it just me? It's another Supercell, guys. 2 Supercells in 1. Bro, show me the cars at least, bro. show me the clouds on me. Okay, thank you. We got clouds everywhere, bro. We got clouds everywhere. No, I think that's a part of the storm, right? Okay, yeah, we're going down. Yeah, the storm, that storm over there is blowing up like crazy. That storm over there is blowing up like crazy. I don't even know how people can tell by rotation. Like, what the heck? Wait, which direction they're heading to exactly? Bro, it's another supercell! It's another supercell. What the heck? Bro, is it heading enough up north? So we can go to like Prior Lake and then. I'm waiting for another update. No, I think the update already happened. I think the update already happened. Yup, it's moving up north. Jesus Christ, I'm in a hellcore right now. What the heck? I'm in a hellcore. Okay, I'm gonna record it. Well, it's a PDF. We gotta check if there's any rotation. No rotation yet. I could escape the hellcore before my car gets damaged. It probably is right now. Wait. Whoa. Okay, yes. I'm proud. If it's fast enough, to head up and it won't form anything, we will probably turn back and go up. Okay, I think this is it, right? Yeah. Oh my god, it's in the shape. Oh, there's little tiny size of her. Little tiny size. Little bitty tiny size. Dang. Should I stop here? I'm stopped. Yeah, look at him. He's smart. He's literally so smart. Okay, now we just gotta wait. We got rotation! Okay, we're turning back. We're going backwards. We need to turn back a little bit. Because that's what I'm hitting. Oops! Somebody said oops! Oops! Am I saying? There's still supercells, I told you! There's gonna be twins! Oh my god! Ah! Rotation! Ah! Ah, we got rotation! Ah! I'm going crazy right now. I'm tweaking. What the heck? Okay, we gotta turn back. Ah! Bro, literally unexpected. What the? Oh, winds are starting to go up. Okay, that's good. That's nice. 20 miles per hour. That's really nice, buddy boy. He's a buddy boy. Bro. We might be in prime position spot. If we went down there, yeah. Well, we might be in prime position spot.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing.
Oh my god, we might actually get it. We might actually get it, guys. Oh my god, we're so getting hit. Oh my god, it's moving. It's moving a little bit east. It's moving a little bit east. It's moving a little bit east. It's
Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds.
Oh, now you're starting to speak, huh? Now you're starting to speak. Oh my god, now you're starting to speak. Where's that the float?
Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas.
God!
Covered the road.
Deploy! 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 Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! We're getting hit! Oh, barely. We're inside of the tornado! We're inside of the freaking tornado! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. My god! Oh my god, man! Oh my god! 60 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. Oh my god, that was so cool. Oh my god. Wait, get in the car. Get in the fucking car. It's not important. Oh my god, hurry up. I don't have that much. Sorry, that was my plan.
50 miles per hour.
Bro, can you shut up? Drift! We literally just got hit by a freaking tornado. Does that count as an intercept? It better count as an intercept. It better. There's two. That better count as an intercept, or I'm freaking gonna. Wait, did I go the wrong way? Or no, I didn't. I can see that guy. I can see the guy. Bro, we got hit. Guys. Okay, we're gonna try to go for the second day. Second day, guys. And right now, it's not good. But a high is good. High is good. High. That's the drift. That slowed me down so much. I love this game, bro. So often it gets updated, like literally almost every single day. Almost every single freaking day, bro. That's what happens when you don't. That's what happens when you take drugs at exactly 3 a.m. Bro, make up your freaking mind. Make up your freaking mind. Ah! Why did I get out of my freaking car? I'm stupid. I'm stupid as hell.